Welcome to UbuntuVideoCast. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to password protect your web server. Let me show you what I'm going to show you today. My web server is 192.168.0.249, and when you access it, it will ask you for username and password. And if you don't know that one, it will redirect you with a message that you're not authorized, yada yada. So, and let me demonstrate that actually works. So I created a username here and a password. Now, and you see that's the default website that Apache deploys when you install it on your Ubuntu server. And now I'm going to show you what I actually changed in the configuration file. Let's go to sudo nano etc Apache, then sites available default, which is your default website or the web server, and hit enter. Provide your password. Go in here, and then basically what we're looking at is this entire section. First of all, you gotta comment out this directive here, and then you gotta add those 6 directives underneath that allow from all. The first one is basically replacing this one over here, and it says basically that you require authentication. Then this one specifies the information in the dialog box that asks you for username and password. And then this one specifies the password encryption, so we're using just basic, but you can use something like digest or something else like that in there. And then the next one basically tells the Apache server where is the user file or user pass/password file located, and it is basically under the var/www/ folder, and it's called .htpasswd. And then the next one, you can also create groups and memberships with it, and we're not going to use that in this case, so we just redirect it to dev null. And then the last one is important. Here you specify the usernames. So in this case, it's a user MSJ. So when that is done, go out and save it. And then there's one more command you have to issue, and this one is the let's see if I remember, it's htpasswd/c. If you do it the first time, you have to use the -c command to create this .htpasswd file, and since we already have that one, we don't need to use that parameter. Then we specify the path of that particular file like that, and then enter the username, and in this case I'm gonna update the password, so you hit enter. Then it asks for the new password. Let's use a new one, QWERT, and hit enter, and then the same thing again, hit enter. And now we updated the we didn't, because I used it without sudo permissions. Okay, let's do that one more time. QWERT, and hit enter, and there it said updating password for the user MSJ. Alright, now we go back in here, and I don't know if that will work here now since we already authenticated. There we go, it does. So enter the username, the password QWERT, hit enter, and then whoop, we're in. Right, that's it. Quick and dirty. This should get you started with a basic authentication method on your Apache web server. And later on, one of my other videos, I'm going to show you how to create the same kind of thing on a hosted web server where you don't have full access to the configuration file. So I recommend coming back later and have a look, and then that should help you with your web server on a hosted company. Alright, thank you very much, and see you next time.